All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to our four-box break. Two 2014 Absolute and two 2015 Playbook. Good luck to everybody in the break. Here we go. We're going to start with a Playbook. First box. Good luck, guys. First card, Kevin White, numbered to 49. Nice booklet for the Bears. That's going to Mr. Lloyd Ferguson. Lloyd Ferguson with the Kevin White booklet, numbered to 49. 13 of 49, jersey numbered up. Very nice, Lloyd. Next card. We'll get to in a second. That's a nice one. Base card booklet. Derek Carr, Justin Tuck, numbered to 99. And Derek Carr, jersey auto, numbered to 99. Nice looking card. For the Oakland Raiders. That's going to Lloyd Ferguson. Wow. Lloyd stole the show on that box. Sometimes Lloyd doesn't like to share. Nice hit, Lloyd. Derek Carr, jersey auto, 99. And the Kevin White, 13 of 49, jersey numbered up, booklet. Very nice looking card. Nice hits. Continuing. We're going to pop to an absolute now. Here we go, guys. Good luck. First card, Dexter McCluster, base. Next card, Sonoris Perry, rookie card for the Bears. Next card, numbered to 20, AJ Green for the Bengals. That's numbered 11 of 20. For the Bengals, that's going to David Dowles. Nice hit, David. Sleeve and top, load them up. Next card, Carlos Hyde, six-way material, numbered to 99. For the 49ers, that's going to Joshua Novak. Nice hit, Joshua. Six-way material, Carlos Hyde. Next card. Larry Fitzgerald, Tools of the Trade jersey, numbered to 249. That's going to Mike Christensen. Nice hit, Mike. Larry Fitzgerald jersey, Tools of the Trade, number to 249. Next card. Ooh, another six-way. Nasty patches on 3 of the 6. Eric Abron, number to 249. Going to the Lions. That's going to Mr. Frank Nolfo. Nice hit, Frank. Next card. Tools of the Trade auto, number to 99. Brandon Cooks. For the Saints. That's going to Lloyd Ferguson. Nice hit, Lloyd. Brandon Cooks. Jersey auto, number to 99. Next card. Last hit. Michael Campanaro, number to 199. Rookie auto. Last hit for this box, anyways. For the Baltimore Ravens, that's going to Joshua Novak. Nice hit, Joshua. Teddy Bridgewater, Derek Carr, Johnny Manziel, Blake Bortles, Hog Heaven, Justin Gilbert, Kid Reporter. All right, next box. Let's tap into a playbook. Good luck, guys. Box number 3 of 4. That's a thick one. What we like. Empty box. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Wow. We got 2 playbooks, a jersey. We're going to check out the jersey first since Facebook Land seen it. Philip Dorsett, number to 199. For the Indianapolis Colts. That's going to Travis Novak. Nice hit, Travis. Philip Dorsett to 199 for the Colts. Next card. We got our booklet, base booklet. LaShawn McCoy, Sammy Watkins. Flip this. Yeah, nice. Demaryius Thomas, numbered to 25. Dual jersey for the Broncos. That's going to Mr. Dale D. Dowles. Nice hit, Dale. Demaryius Thomas, playbook. Travis, try on the Facebook page. It's live on there as well. It might come in better for you. I'm not sure. Denver Broncos going to Dale D. Dowles. Our final card. Here we go. For the Green Bay Packers, Ty Montgomery. That's numbered to 99. For the Green Bay Packers, that's going to Lloyd Ferguson. Nice hit, Lloyd. All right, on to our final box. Good luck, guys. Box is popped. All right, guys, here we go. Final box. Good luck. First card, Charles Woodson. Right there, just out of Facebook view. You guys can still see them, but they're just out of view. Charles Woodson, base. Next card. This is numbered to 20. Kadeem Carey. For the Bears. That's going to Lloyd Ferguson. Nice hit, Lloyd. Got our booklets here. I'm gonna grab some more top loaders, guys. 1 second. All right, here we go. Continuing. Next card. Vincent Jackson, numbered to 99. Next card. We got a hit here. Allen Robinson, numbered to 99. Nice 6-way patch. For the Jacksonville Jaguars. That's going to Joshua Novak. Nice hit, Josh. Next card. Charles Sims, numbered to 99. Quad material for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That's going to Joe Witter. Nice hit, Joe. Next card. Derek Carr, quad jersey, number 249. Next card is a hit, 250 Panini points. 250 Panini points will get randomized between everybody in the break. Next card. This could be a good one. It is. Very nice. Jimmy Garoppolo. Quad jersey auto, numbered to 99. Going to the New England Patriots. Kelly Widzinski. Nice hit, Kelly. Has a bought team. Gifted team. Congratulations on your nice hit. Mike Christensen's wife. Congratulations. Sleeve and top loaded up for you. Pretty sure he'll be starting the first 4 games for the Patriots this year. Erica Braun, Austin Safarian Jenkins, Jay Samaro, Troy Nicholas, Hog Heaven, Michael Crabtree. Kid Reporter. Whoa. All right, so we'll do a quick recap. Here we go. Kevin White. Nice booklet, numbered, jersey numbered 13 of 49. Demaryius Thomas, numbered to 25 for the Broncos. Ty Montgomery, dual jersey, nice patch on this side. Auto, that's numbered to 99. Those were our booklets. Here we go with the regular cards. 6-way jersey patch, numbered to 99. Derek Carr, jersey auto, numbered to 99. Philip Dorsett, numbered to 199. Hot Roots, rookie jersey. Michael Campanaro, rookie auto, numbered to 199. Brandon Cooks, Tools of the Trade, jersey auto, numbered to 99. Larry Fitzgerald, jersey, Tools of the Trade, jersey, numbered to 249. Erica Braun, 6-way patch, that's numbered to 249. Carlos Hyde, 6-way jersey, numbered to 99. Jimmy Garoppolo, quad jersey auto, numbered to 99. Nice card. 250 Panini points that will get randomized between everybody in the break. Derek Carr, quad jersey, numbered to 249. Charles Sims, quad material, numbered to 99. AJ Green, numbered to 20. Purple variation. And Kadeem Carey, numbered to 20. 20th anniversary card, numbered to 20. All right, guys. These will be in your next shipments that go out. Probably around this Sunday, Monday. All right, guys. Everybody have a great night. Be safe until the next time. Have a good one.